Going to be setting the sewing machine in under 4 minutes. So the timer starts now. First, pull the needle bar up, or it's needle bar. Loosen the needle clamp. Let's pretend I have a new one. Put it back in, and then tighten the needle clamp. That's setting the needle done. Next, the upper threading. Take the string, put it through the thread guides. Okay, then also this one. Then back down into, not there, into here. Then put this little gadget of mine. It helps with putting the string. You can also use your hands if you like, if you don't have it, but recommend you have it because it makes my life easier. Don't have to squint very hard. It's already been 2 minutes. I'm being slow. I have a long piece of string. Okay. Then take this, pull it through. Now you have your string. Go. Just gonna put it in here. Okay. Then put the thread in here. There we go. Yes. Got where they put the scissors. Just gonna waste it. Go. Put it through. Now lower threading. Just unwind this first. Open this slide. Put it here. Hold it. There, I heard a click. Then close it again. Then start turning the balance wheel to catch it, I think. Then just, yeah, there we go. You can see I have a bit of gray here. Then just need to pull the string with the one here. I'm trying to find the string connected to this. Or I can just cut this, find which one is the string. Then I'm done. Then you just put down, also you need at least 4 inches. And then just put it like this. And you're done. You can start sewing. Also, if you'd like, put like a fabric under it. I've been practicing. Put a fabric under it. Yeah, so I did that in under 4 minutes with 35 seconds left. Nice. And then you can just pull it down.